In this video, I am going to show you how to easily get Team Fortress 2 keys, and with that in mind, let's get right into it. Let's start by opening the Steam application. You can also do this process on phone. After you open Steam, the next step is to go to Community, and after that, you will need to click on Market, and now the Steam Market is going to load. As you can see, on Steam Market, you will find a lot of game items from different games, but now, to get Team Fortress 2 keys, just select the Team Fortress 2 game on right side of the screen, and as you can see, Team Fortress 2 keys are the first items on this page. From here, you can buy the Team Fortress 2 keys by clicking on the Buy button. Next step is to select how many keys you can to get. In my case, I will buy 13 Team Fortress 2 keys to show you, and after we also need to put our own billing address. And if everything is looking good, by clicking on Place Order, and as you can see, it says, Finding matching item listings at your desired price. And now we will get the Team Fortress 2 keys, and in my case, I just bought 13 keys, and the keys are in my inventory now. Subscribe, and thank you for watching.